Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video I will show you a method how to earn 50 to $80 with just 1 hour. Work using your smartphone, but before start the video, I quickly invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel. So if at the end if you like this video, then hit on like button and share this video with your friends. Now the so let's get started. The website is called producttube.com and I provide links in description. You can open and sign up. Now the interesting stuff, make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month. So what is this exactly and what you need to do to get paid this type of money? Very simply, just with your smartphone. You see here there are two types of videos, both of which can be recorded simply using your phone camera. No additional equipment or software required. You just take your smartphone and either in a store and record really short videos like 3 minutes or so, or you record a little video at home. So what you do, there are two types of video: in store videos and at home videos. I explain you further. So here you see, log into producttube.com. Once you receive new notifications in your email, next time you are in the store, make a short video showing how you shop in that category. If you are going to shop, then take your smartphone with you and just make a little video about category, that what you are going to shop and why you are shopping. So hold your phone in one hand at chest height and start recording. So and tell them why you purchasing them. You can also check demo videos. There are some demos videos in the website. For example, you are in the cold drink section and you say that I choose this one because of this is that blah blah, I really like this. I don't choose these cold drinks uh, because you need to tell a small reason and etc, like a 3 minute videos or so. There are demo videos, you can watch them. Now at the home videos section, you see here at home videos, log into productive.com. Once you receive new project notifications in your email, you see here, make short video using the product and tell us about your experience. Full certain projects you may be recontacted to make future videos for additional incentive. As soon as you receive new project, then you're gonna make a little short video using the product. Okay. Maybe second option, maybe they tell you in the second option of the at home videos, might tell you go to the supermarket. They tell you to buy some stuff like cheap stuff, not they will tell you that buy expensive stuff, but you need to buy that. And they tell you just open it, test it and use it and tell us your experience. You should make a little video and you say, all right, like this on, that's really nice, really awesome. And if you don't like the product, say I don't like this and explain the reason. That's it. That's all you need to do. It's take 3 minutes of your time. And the project they send you depends on your country. This is not a full-time job. This is not just for make some extra dollars. You're gonna receive your rewards via Amazon gift cards. You see here, receive your rewards within 48 hours. Videos should be watchable and audible, but do not need to be edited. People can hear you, people can see you. Okay, while make video in qualities, make quality videos. And this website pay you via Amazon gift card. Currently, they don't give you cash, but it will provide you Amazon gift card. But it is also like a cash. You can buy things online on Amazon. Now here you find some stuff. Here my browser does not support this type of video, so you can change browser and watch some demo videos, examples of install videos, example of it home videos. So frequently asked question, this is a FAQ. How do I join it? Is it difficult? Which smartphones are compatible? And you forth whatsoever. So simply sign up and click sign up. Here is also app for Apple phones and Android phones. So it's really simple, and let me just take to you on the application. So here you see this is an amazing app and got to 4.5 ratings, and you see so far the jobs are simple, quick, the directions are easy to understand, follow qualifying good jobs. So you see here great op and opportunity, very good application. This is a great idea, so easy to do. The only result I give 5 stars is that often get opportunities, and you see there are more reviews. See 5 stars for those they are adopting. If this really works well, it does. This app is legit. I have completed several projects. I love this app. It gives me a chance to experience and test out products. Took me 6 minutes to make $50. Highly recommended. I am very happy with this site and the earnings. Thank you so much. You see here only $50 in just 6 minutes. That's not bad, I think. Easy to do. I like using the app. So great app, paying app for small tasks, $50. Amazon e-card for it. Just made 50 bucks for a 5-minute video, worth it. I made a lot in Amazon gift cards with this app. It's easy and fun. So you open the app and find reviews. So it will motivate you that this app is really nice application website. So by using this you can make some extra dollar. Again, this is not that you can become a millionaire from this, but you can make some extra dollars from this. So that's it guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new videos, and hit on like button if you enjoyed the video, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.